Ladies and gentlemen, friends, dreamers, and achievers, today, I want to talk to you about something that transcends mere machines, something that goes beyond speed, luxury, and prestige. I want to talk to you about how owning a supercar can not only enhance your life but transform you into a better version of yourself. Supercars are not just about horsepower or the roar of an engine, they symbolize a mindset, a relentless pursuit of excellence, and an embodiment of everything you can achieve when you push the boundaries of what's possible. When you look at a supercar, you don't just see an object, you see years of craftsmanship, innovation, and passion distilled into a machine that defies expectations. And that, my friends, is exactly how you should approach life. Let's start with the basics. Supercars are a representation of achievement. They are the fruits of hard work, dedication, and a burning desire to reach the top. You don't simply wake up one day and find yourself behind the wheel of a Bugatti or a Ferrari. It takes years of growth, of struggle, of failures and triumphs. Every dent in your path is an opportunity to grow, just as every line of a supercar is a result of constant refinement. In life, the challenges we face can either hold us back or propel us forward. Just like the engineering behind a supercar, every setback you face can be seen as a way to optimize your journey, to fine-tune your skills, and to grow into the person you're meant to be. Think of the car as a metaphor for your own evolution. It's not about how fast you go or how quickly you reach your destination, it's about the journey of getting there. It's about the precision, the drive, the commitment to bettering yourself every single day. But owning a supercar doesn't just change how you think about success, it also transforms your approach to challenges. When you're behind the wheel of a machine that's built to perform, you can't help but carry that energy into every aspect of your life. You start seeing obstacles as opportunities for greatness. You become unafraid of risk, because you know that the greatest rewards come from taking calculated chances. Let's talk about mindset. Supercar owners are some of the most ambitious people in the world. They don't just settle for mediocrity, they push the limits. This mentality isn't limited to just driving fast cars, it extends to their businesses, their personal lives, and their goals. The mindset of a supercar owner is one of relentless determination, of never giving up, of always striving to do more, be more, and achieve more. They understand that to own such a machine, they must be the best version of themselves. They know that success is not handed to you, it's earned. And this mindset can rub off on you, too. When you allow yourself to dream big and aim high, when you surround yourself with ambition and excellence, you will find yourself constantly evolving. Supercars teach you to never settle. They push you to go faster, to think bigger, to act bolder. They remind you that anything worth having requires hard work and commitment. Now, let's talk about discipline. The world of supercars isn't just about indulging in luxury or flaunting wealth, it's about discipline, focus, and responsibility. Owning such a high-performance machine requires maintenance, attention to detail, and care. It's a constant reminder that success is not a one-time event, it's an ongoing process. You have to keep your skills sharp, your knowledge fresh, and your attitude positive. Just like you wouldn't neglect the engine of your car, you must never neglect your own personal growth. The pursuit of excellence in every aspect of life is what makes you unstoppable. Moreover, supercars open up new experiences and new perspectives. The moment you drive one, you experience the world in a way that few others ever will. The thrill, the power, the beauty, everything feels amplified. You begin to understand that life is not just about the destination, but the moments along the way. These moments are what make the journey worthwhile. And when you approach life with the same intensity and passion as you would driving a supercar, you begin to appreciate every little victory, every lesson learned, and every step forward. But the true power of a supercar lies in the way it reflects your inner potential. When you drive a car that was engineered to perfection, you realize that you, too, are capable of perfection in your own way. You begin to see yourself not as someone who's just getting by, but as someone who can reach the highest peaks. You see your life as a machine that, when fine-tuned, can achieve extraordinary results. You are the driver of your own success, and just like the finest supercars, you have the potential to go farther, faster, and more efficiently than you ever thought possible. Owning a supercar isn't just a luxury, it's a mindset, a lifestyle, a way of thinking. It's about dreaming big, taking risks, and having the courage to pursue your passion. It's about learning from your failures, embracing the journey, and pushing yourself to become the best version of yourself. The lessons that come from supercars are the same lessons that will make you a better person: dedication, perseverance, passion, and an unyielding desire to grow. So, let the dream of owning a supercar fuel your ambition. Let it remind you every day that you are capable of greatness. Let it push you to become more disciplined, more focused, and more relentless in your pursuit of success. The road ahead is long, and it's not always easy, but with the right mindset, the right attitude, and the right determination, you can go as far as your dreams will take you. In the end, a supercar is not just a possession, it's a symbol of everything you can achieve when you push yourself to be better. It's a reminder that greatness is not an accident, it's the result of a commitment to constant improvement. So, get in the driver's seat of your life, step on the gas, and never look back. The world is waiting for you to show up, and just like a supercar, you're capable of making an impact that will leave everyone in awe. Go ahead, dream big. The road to greatness is yours to drive.